Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LangChain, LangGraph Fundamentals. Building AI applications with Lego blocks. Imagine you have a super smart brain that can understand and generate human language. That's a large language model, LLM. But how do you make this brain actually do things? Like, build a chatbot that remembers, or an assistant that can search the web. This lesson will show you how to connect these smart brains with other tools. Just like snapping Lego bricks together to build powerful AI applications. We're going from a single smart brick to a whole AI castle. Before we build, let's understand our core Lego brick. An LLM is a sophisticated computer program that has read an enormous amount of text from the internet. Because of this, it can understand your questions, write stories, summarize documents, and even generate code. Think of it as a super intelligent conversational partner. It's incredible at processing language, but on its own, it doesn't know how to browse the internet, calculate numbers, or interact with external systems. It only talks. If an LLM is a powerful, smart Lego brick, how do you build a complex model, like a robot, with just one brick? You can't. You need other bricks. Bricks for memory, bricks for searching, bricks for specific calculations, and crucially, you need a way to snap them all together in the right order. LangChain and LangGraph are precisely those connector pieces and instruction manuals. They are frameworks that let developers combine LLMs with other tools and define how they interact to create full-fledged AI applications. Think of a chain in LangChain like a simple assembly line. You have a few steps that always happen in the same, predictable order. For example, 1. You provide some text. 2. A prompt template frames your text as a question for the LLM. E.g., summarize this text, single quote. 3. The LLM processes it. 4. You get a summary. Chains are perfect for straightforward sequences of operations where the AI doesn't need to make complex decisions about its next step. It's like building a straight line of Lego bricks. What if our AI needs to decide what to do next? Like, should I search the internet for this answer? Or do I already know it? This is where agents come in. An agent is like a mini manager for your LLM. It gives the LLM access to tools like a web search, a calculator, or a database lookup. The LLM then thinks, given this problem, which tool should I use? The agent helps the LLM choose a tool, use it, see the result, and then decide the next action. It's an LLM with the ability to act and adapt. While chains and agents are powerful, sometimes your AI application needs a more complex conversation or decision-making process. Imagine a chatbot that needs to ask follow-up questions, remember previous answers, and then perhaps loop back to clarify something if needed. This isn't a straight line. LangGraph is like building a custom flowchart for your AI. It lets you define states, transitions, and loops, making it perfect for multi-turn conversations. Stateful agents are complex decision paths where the AI's behavior changes based on what just happened. In LangGraph's flowchart world, nodes, these are the steps or actions in your flowchart. Each node could be an LLM call, a tool use, or a simple function, like checking if a condition is true. Think of them as individual Lego bricks that perform a specific action. Edges, these are the arrows connecting your nodes. They tell your AI which step to go to next based on the result of the current step. It's like, if this happens, go here, otherwise, go there. State. LangGraph keeps track of the memory or current status of your application as it moves through. The flowchart. This is crucial for building AI that can remember the conversation history or previous decisions, allowing for dynamic and intelligent interactions. So, why bother with these frameworks? 1. Rapid development. Build complex AI apps much faster by snapping together pre-built components instead of coding everything from scratch. 2. Modularity. Easily swap out different LLMs, tools, or components without rewriting your entire application. 3. Complex workflows. Tackle challenging multi-step tasks, persistent conversations, and dynamic decision-making that would be incredibly difficult otherwise. 4. Community and ecosystem. Benefit from a vibrant community and a growing set of integrations. They give you the power to go from a simple LLM query to a sophisticated, intelligent AI application, like building a futuristic city from individual Lego bricks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.